What a strange phenomenon. Thousands of fish washed up on a beach in Kerala, India. Oh my God. 2 kayakers in California were nearly swallowed by a humpback whale. Luckily, the kayak only capsized, sending the 2 into the water. Serves him right. He tried to cross the This is a chaotic image of a series of explosions in Mexico. The smoke was billowing, it was terrible. It destroyed the entire largest fireworks market in Mexico. Scene. 2 men narrowly escaped death as a series of rocks and debris fell from a mountaintop onto a road in China. A technical error due to incorrect and Mi-8 helicopter crashed during an air show in southern Russia, reportedly due to a tech. Causing massive damage, damaging and sinking several fishing boats at sea and pushing them closer to shore in Peru. So devastating. Is swallowing up cars too. Specifically, this is a 200-meter-long sinkhole burying dozens of parked cars in Italy. Too scary. Aha. Close-up of a giant whirlpool in the ocean. The tornado in Kansas, USA was on the ground for over an hour, traveled over 45 miles and caused extensive damage. A massive tsunami struck.
Are they flashing us like we can't see it? Dude. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God. Go, 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 get up there.